So over here you can see that I have a project, and with this project I have made several changes as we kept on working around with the project. So if you want to go ahead and view the version history of this project, let's say you want to restore it back to an older version if you want, or make a copy of it, then you can simply utilize version history option to do that. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto file, and then you can go to version history, and then you can go ahead and add in the current version right here. You can name the current version as you want, just like this. Like, let's say for example, I'm going to say final one right here, just like this, then it'll be saved. And apart from that, you can go around onto version history and see the version history altogether, and you can see that it actually saved out all of these contents right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go around over here onto this version right here, just like this, then this is what you have. As you can see right here, this is the version. You can go around onto the other date right here to access out the other date's version, as you can see right here, and you can see the version right here, just like this. You can even go ahead and expand and see the different time ranges right here with which the version was saved out. So what you can do is you can go ahead and restore this particular version, name this particular version if you want as well. For example, you can say important right here, and you can even go ahead and make a copy of this version right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, second project important. Then what happens is that with that particular version history, a copy will be made accordingly right here. So over here in version history as well, you can see all versions, or just see the named versions as well. So you can see that I named the main project and this particular version, so I only see those right there. And you can go ahead and show, disable and enable the changes as well, and the changes will be highlighted right here, just like this. So as I were to actually go right here, you can see that there's this green highlight right here. That is because I made this change, and there's any other change right there, other changes, then it'll be highlighted as purple and so forth right there, according to the user that has made the changes. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize version history as you need inside of Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.